A product manager is a common role in today's tech and internet companies, but if you ask, what exactly is a product manager? You'll get different answers. Literally, it's someone who manages a product. Based on my experience, I think there are a few key ways to look at the role. First, from a product manager's responsibilities, they're like a user researcher. They need to understand the users, know how to do user research and interviews, and create user personas. Second, they're a demand analyst. They dig into what users really need and figure out how valuable those needs are. And finally, they're a product designer, creating prototypes, writing documentation, and leading product design reviews. From the product management process side, a product manager is first a demand manager. They collect all the demands, both internal and external. They validate, evaluate, prioritize, and manage the review, development, and launch. Then they're a product planner, responsible for planning out different products or versions of a product. And lastly, they're a product manager, overseeing everything from demand analysis to design, development, and launch. They manage the entire journey from start to finish. When it comes to the value a product manager brings, they need to spot problems and solve them, making sure the product delivers value. On the one hand, they're deep into the market, looking for new opportunities. On the other hand, they're also responsible for making sure everything works after launch, continuously improving the product based on data to create even more value. In 2007, Brian Chesky and Joe Gebbia were struggling to pay rent on their San Francisco apartment when a major design conference hit town. Hotels were fully booked, and the city was crowded with visitors. Seeing an opportunity, they set up a simple website offering guests a place to sleep on air mattresses in their living room, essentially turning their home into a temporary hotel. They called it Air Bed and Breakfast, and it was their answer to a real-world problem: affordable lodging. But what truly set them apart was how they thought like product managers from the start. They didn't just build a website and hope it worked. They spoke directly to early users, taking high-quality photos of their spaces and listening to hosts to understand their pain points. They built a product that was simple, but they were always refining it based on feedback, learning quickly what users truly needed. As the platform grew, they never lost sight of the core mission: to help people belong anywhere. They were constantly evolving the product, using data to make smarter decisions and innovating at every step. Today, Airbnb isn't just a company, but a global community proof of how powerful product management can be when you blend vision, innovation, and relentless focus on customer needs. Looking at Airbnb, the founders really took on a lot of the responsibilities of a product manager. They were thinking hard about the market, users, and needs, using their product to solve real problems. This role has a lot in common with the CEOs, which is why people often say a product manager is the CEO's apprentice. What types of product managers are there? Well, we can categorize them in different ways. By target users, we can break it down into B2B product manager, B2C product manager, and G2C product manager. B2B product manager focuses on products made for businesses, like CRM systems, ERP tools, or SaaS platforms. B2C product manager works on products for individual consumers, like e-commerce apps, social media platforms, or gaming apps. G2C product manager specializes in government services and platforms for the public, like tax filing systems or public service portals. By product type, we can classify them into digital product manager, hardware product manager, technical product manager, and service product manager. Digital product manager handles online platforms, websites, mobile apps, or SaaS. Hardware product manager manages physical products like smartphones, wearables, or IoT devices. Technical product manager focuses on APIs, cloud infrastructure, or developer tools, requiring a strong technical background. Service product manager oversees services like consulting, logistics, or managed services. By function or focus, we can divide them into growth product manager, data product manager, platform product manager, and commercial product manager. Core product manager focuses on the main features and roadmap of a product. Growth product manager focuses on the main features and roadmap of a product, specifically targeting user acquisition, retention, and conversion. Data product manager specializes in data-driven features, analytics tools, or machine learning models. Platform product manager manages foundational systems that support other products like operating systems or middleware. Commercial product manager focuses on monetization strategies, pricing, and revenue optimization. By industry, we can break it down into FinTech product manager, EdTech product manager, HealthTech product manager, and entertainment product manager. FinTech product manager develops financial products like mobile payment systems, investment apps, or digital banking tools. EdTech product manager works on educational platforms, e-learning apps, or virtual classrooms. HealthTech product manager designs solutions like telemedicine platforms, fitness trackers, or medical record systems. Entertainment product manager focuses on gaming, streaming services, or content creation tools. By business model, we can have freemium product manager, subscription product manager, or marketplace product manager. Freemium product manager handles products with a free tier and premium upgrades, for example, Spotify, Zoom. Subscription product manager works with subscription-based models like Netflix or SaaS tools. Marketplace product manager oversees two-sided platforms, such as Uber or Airbnb. These are the types of product manager positions you'll often find in job listings. When planning your career path, you can choose the product manager focus that fits you best. The assignment for this lesson is to categorize popular AI product managers today. There are no specific classification criteria, just ensure the categories make sense and are easy to understand. For example, we can divide AI product managers into technical AI product managers and industry application AI product managers. Now, where would the product manager for ChatGPT fall into these categories? Please make sure to complete the assignment thoughtfully and send it to me via email or messenger. Just watching the course isn't enough. It will only help you understand the basic concepts and principles. The best way to learn product management is through your own thinking, practice, and testing. Constantly think, practice, and get feedback to keep improving.